How to add a PDF download button in Wix Studio. So in order to add a PDF download button on your Wix Studio, you first need to head over to your Wix website editor. And then from in there, just head over and click on this plus icon. Now head over and click on this button option under the quick add, or you can also just locate the buttons option and choose in here the actual layout that you want. You have in here basic buttons as well as animated buttons. For example, right here, let's choose in here this view more option, and I will drag and drop it into this particular part of my page. Now, once that's been added, you can see it right here. So what we can do is we can click on the settings icon right here in order to actually link it. And then for this part, we just need to click on this document and then choose a file or a PDF that you wish to add. Let me head over and choose a file. Into this, you can head over and upload the media if you can't find it yet right here. Now the file will be added right here, and once you're done, just head over and click onto this add to page option in order to add and link it into this particular button that we have right here. So that's how you add a PDF download button in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.